Are you waking up with a nagging lower backache because your mattress is too soft and lets your hips go in too far? Today, let's review the Helix Twilight Luxe, the firm powerhouse that is endorsed by the American Chiropractic Association. So first thing I want to address is what every customer that's been buying Helixes from me is asking. And that is, do these come packed, rolled up in a box? These do not. Any Helix that you buy from LiveWell is going to come flat packed. What that means is these come in a bag, in a box, and they are fully inflated, not compressed in any way, shape, or form. That makes a difference to my clientele. They want to know that when they get the bed, they're not having to wait hours for it to inflate. This is a bed that comes fully decompressed and ready to go. Now, the other thing that's an extra that we do with our Helixes is we are paying premium as a company to get you the very best cover. This is the GlacioTex cover. This cover here gives us a full inch of cooling materials. A full inch of cooling materials in this environment makes the world of difference. The second layer underneath is a 4-pound layer of memory foam. This is a compressed memory foam that has been so pre-stressed that it's added so much weight to the makeup of the memory foam. This is for people that want a memory foam mattress that's going to last many, many years. Underneath that, we have a layer of comfort foam, which is another memory foam, but it's just a little bit lighter. Underneath that, we are paying another premium for the Helixes that we sell in having the Ergo layer. Now the Ergo layer is a layer of, it's an elastomer foam. It's very quick responsive, but it's also there to hold your back straight. So you're getting a firm mattress, you're getting a layer that's for cooling, and a layer that's guaranteed to keep your back straight and supported. Underneath that, this is the best part, is the edge-to-edge springs. The edge-to-edge springs, you've heard me explain them over and over again. What that does is it gives you a line of springs here at the edge that are much thicker than the springs on the interior of the mattress. That keeps you from feeling like you're rolling off the mattress. Where your hips and where your shoulders are a spring that, sorry, I had to think there, are a spring that allows your hips to actually sink in without wearing out. So you're getting a premium spring system on bottom of everything else that's going on with the Helix mattresses. This is a quality mattress that is designed to support you and save you money for many, many years, because you're buying once and not having to worry about it for many years. So that's the construction. Now let's go on to the part of the review where you see me demonstrate the mattress in different sleep positions. Okay, so first sleep position is going to be the back sleeping position. This being a firm mattress, I fully expect for our white line test to show that my back is perfectly straight. So what I'm looking for here is back support. But not only that, I want to make sure that I'm not feeling pressure points. A lot of the complaints that we get from customers from selling a firm mattress is that they are feeling a pressure point. So I've been here for about a minute, and I can tell you that I feel 0 pressure points, but I do feel it is a very firm mattress. It's holding me straight. There's no significant sink into the mattress. I am very much on top. The cooling layer is definitely making one heck of a difference. It's a super comfortable back sleeping mattress. Let's move on to side sleeping. Okay, so in the interest of fairness, what I'm going to tell you guys is that I am using a knee pillow to make sure that my legs are kept in the perfect position and a good posture. This is side sleeping on the Helix Twilight Luxe. I can tell you it is a very firm mattress. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm probably going to make this a 4.5. It's not the firmest mattress in here, but it is very firm. I can definitely feel the cooling layer making a difference. I would say for my customers with very wide shoulders, this would not work for you. For my hippie customers, we definitely would have to try your body style on here. There might be enough give that it's going to hold you straight. For me, I'm actually almost feeling like I'm getting my hips higher than my shoulders. I'm feeling an up push. No pressure points, so I will tell you that because of the memory foam, there are 0 pressure points. For side sleepers, let's make note of this, and I'm going to tell you that we're going to have to fit you if you're a side sleeper. This is not something to guess on. This is a pretty specific feel of a bed. Let's move on to stomach sleeping. This is stomach sleeping on the Helix Twilight Luxe. So, I don't know how to put my arms here. Let me see. Okay, so I am positive that my back is going to be held straight because I feel like the arch of my back is pretty straight. My one complaint is going to be that if you are one that puts your arm beneath your head like so, there's no give for your shoulder. So your rotator cuff might actually hurt because it's that firm. In fact, it's already hurting. So I'm going to put my arm down here and let's just do the white line test. I'm pretty sure that I'm straight. It is giving me a good feel on my lower back, but it is ultra firm. You can definitely tell that it's going to support you. So if you are a stomach sleeper and a fan of an extra firm bed, this is your guy. I am neither a fan of an extra firm, nor am I a stomach sleeper. But I can tell you that I would feel very comfortable with most body types if you're a stomach sleeper putting you on this mattress. So you just saw the review on the Helix Twilight Luxe. This is an American Chiropractic Association certified mattress. This is a mattress that on a scale of 1 to 5 is probably about a 4.5 on the firmness scale. If you are a back sleeper or a stomach sleeper, this is the mattress for you because you are looking for a firm mattress with plenty of support. If you are a side sleeper, I want to say that we need to fit you to this. Unless you have plenty of experience with an extremely firm mattress, I think it's best to get fit to the mattress before you invest in it. This might be a little too firm for somebody that is a little bit too hippie or has a little bit too much girth on their shoulders. When we fit you to it, we want to make sure that your posture is going to be straight and you're not waking up with any kind of pressure points or backaches. That's the reason that I'm saying that's important. Keep in mind that any Helix mattress that you buy from us is not compressed and rolled into a box. Our Helix mattresses are fully constructed and put into a box fully, I want to say, aired up. There's no waiting. It's ready for you when we install the bed, when we deliver and do the setup for you. This is a mattress with foams that are going to last you many years, and we don't have to worry about body impressions, and we don't have to worry about rolling off the bed because of the edge-to-edge springs. If you have any questions about Helix mattresses or any of our other mattresses, please feel free to leave your comments below and we'll answer each comment. And even better, sometimes if the comments are really cool, what I'll do is I'll make short videos to answer your questions about mattress shopping, because that's the point of this channel, to help you go in educated before you invest in a mattress. The more you know, the more power you have when it comes to your shopping. Until next time, have a wonderful day.